Hi, welcome back to Everyday Gourmet Meal Enhancements Made Simple. I'm Don Reed, owner of Strawberry Tree Farm Sales, with another cooking tip to either save you time, avoid frustration, or bring out your natural creativity. Your family is going to smile and say, "Oh yes, that is so good. Let's do it." In this segment, we're going to show you how to make our nice and creamy Wisconsin cheesy broccoli. And it's ready to eat in 14 minutes from start to finish. If you're going to serve it as an appetizer in a cup, this is all you need. We're going to put in a couple of extra things because we're going to use it as a meal. So we're going to use some steamable broccoli florets. And I have a little over half a cup of extra cheddar and 6 cups of water. And we're going to bring it to a boil and then let it simmer for 10 minutes and it'll be ready. All right, first we're going to add our 6 cups of water. That's a 4-cup container. And a 2-cup container. Then we're going to whisk in our mix. Like so. So it's all dissolved. Now, you let that simmer for 10 minutes. Bring it to a boil, let it simmer for 10 minutes. And if you're going to use it as a cup of soup for an appetizer, that's really all you need because there's already some cheddar in there, pieces of broccoli. But we're going to add some more because we're going to make it a meal. We're going to add our steamable broccoli florets, and we're going to add a little over half a cup of extra cheddar and bring it to a boil. Okay, now you can see we've brought it to a boil and it's begun to thicken. We've really taken it from an ideal appetizer to a fairly hearty meal, and you could add anything else you wanted. You could add cooked chicken, you could add browned ground beef, or whatever you'd like, whatever your creative instinct tells you. Well, we've simmered it for 10 minutes. The whole process actually took a little bit less than 14 minutes. But you can see that we have a nice, hearty, thick soup, and that is delicious looking, and it's going to be delicious tasting.